3 championship golf courses that are sunny all year round, being home to leading golf brands headquarters, and being just minutes away from the ocean, Carlsbad is the ultimate place to get away and hit the links. My name is Alyssa Kesar and I'm here with my friend Sophia, and we're excited to take you along on our golf weekend getaway as we explore this beautiful city. Because as far as we know, it's all good in Carlsbad. Carlsbad is home to 3 championship golf courses. We have Park Hyatt Aviara, which is the area's only golf course designed by Arnold Palmer. We have Omni La Costa, 2 18-hole golf courses hosting the NCAA Men's and Women's Championships in 2024. And today we are at the Crossings, one of our favorites here. Ocean views meets coastal terrain, lots of elevation changes. Sophia, you ready to play some golf? Let's go. What makes the Crossings different from other municipal courses?
I think when you arrive to the Crossings, the facility somewhat speaks for itself. We've got this beautiful clubhouse. You don't see that at other municipal golf courses. All these great practice areas.
Is there one that stands out in particular?
Yeah, I think hole number 7, which is our par 5 on the front 9. It's got a couple of lakes and a beautiful waterfall.
You have a great restaurant in the canyons here. What are some of the can't-miss menu items?
If you're going to have lunch here at the Crossings at Carlsbad in the Canyons restaurant, you got to try the Crossings burger. It's always really great. And you got to get the truffle fries that goes along with that. And then I would recommend coming back for brunch this weekend, do the chicken and waffles, and add on the bottomless mimosas.
Here at Draft Republic, you can continue your game in their golf lounge with 4 golf simulators to rent. Let's head on in, grab a cocktail, and check it out. Republic is a great place to come after a round if you haven't had enough out on the golf course. It's got a fun, energetic vibe, great food, great cocktails, and an extensive beer list. And you can hit some golf shots, you can hang out, play some video games, and have a great time. We've had such a great time here. We will definitely be back. During your time in Carlsbad, Draft Republic is a must visit. On this visit, we're excited to be staying at the Cape Rey Carlsbad Beach, a Hilton resort and spa. Cape Rey, as well as other local hotels in the area, offer stay and play packages to the Crossings at Carlsbad so you can enjoy a round during your visit. Ocean Crest Spa is a great Carlsbad gem where you can relax and be pampered during your next visit. Sophia and I enjoyed the CBD anti-aging facial with new products from the line Liberate. And now we're just enjoying the sunshine, taking in the ocean views, and hanging by the pool. Carlsbad was the perfect place for us to stay. Golf, beaches, restaurant, spa, everything you could want, all in one place. Carlsbad is known as the golf capital of Southern California, which is just one of the many reasons why you should make it your next location for your golf getaway, because in Carlsbad, it's all good.